Hey guys, in this video I'm explaining you how you work with vectors in Matlab. Okay, let's say this is your command window. So first I will clean the screen, CLC, then clear my workspace. I hope now you are familiar with this command. Okay, now you can see this window is cleared, workspace. Okay, now let's say like you want to create some list of numbers like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Now, when you want to create vector like this in Matlab, the way to do is actually so let's say name of my vector, that is A. So that is equal 5. I'm expecting output, because of that I will leave this without a semicolon when I enter this one. So then I can see similar vector created. Now the meaning of this code actually, so 1 to 5 numbers with the gap difference 1. So here we specify the difference between two numbers. So in that way we can create a new vector. So you can modify these numbers and see how you get this output. So I will increase the font size so that you can see this a bit more clear. Okay. Fonts. Okay. Okay, now let's say okay, so I'll create another vector, so that is equal, maybe let's say 1 to, let's say minus 5 to 4 to 4. So then I will get this vector. So now you can see the gap between these two, it is 2. So we have 5 elements in the vector. Now if you want to take the transpose of this one, you can simply type B. So you can get the transpose of this one. But if you print this one, so your vector B is like this, but transpose, so you can access it in this way. Okay, and also if you type this like B vector, or maybe let's say my vector C, that is equal 1 to 10. So now just look at the output. Now this generate numbers like when we don't specify it, so it by default consider gap between these two number 1. So 1 to 10 numbers with the gap 1. So that is how we create a basic vector in Matlab. Now important things, so we will see how we address individual element in this vector. For example, if you look at my C vector, if I put this address 1, so this will give you 1 as a result. Same way, if you put 2 inside this bracket, so it will give you 2. Or maybe let's say if you look at my B matrix or vector, so B, so the second element of this one is -2, or maybe let's say third element. If you want to access third elements, you can get it like this. So that is 0. Okay, now next thing, okay, we'll see like how we generate like a vector with numbers in reverse order. Let's say my D vector. So this, you know how to create this one now. Let's say 10, -1, so then 5. Just see what you're getting here. So likewise 10 to 5. So it is in reverse order. Likewise, you can play around this one. You can generate different vectors. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.